Shabach and Dawap doing the song by Team Godfrey. But just before then, we're going to take a short break. We're going to hear what they have to say before their performance. Don't go away.
Heavenly greetings, Africa. It's your boy, Heavenly Dawap, aka Yaron J-Town. And really, my experience here with Heavenly, working with my heavenly brother, is heavenly too.
Trust me, you can't wait to see us on stage. I have a great brother that, he's so awesome. Sometimes I can't really describe how, he behaves, but, his name is Heavenly Dawap. This is your brother Shadrach Danso, aka Shabach, in the building, the GMA mansion. Yeah. Trust me, he's from Nigeria, I'm from Ghana. It is what it is. Let's do this, Ghana. Shabach music for life.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Heavenly greetings, Africa! Shabach greetings from Ghana! Okay! Oh mema, you are good and you are kind. Okay, oh come here, you're my healer divine. Free hate and be free. True freedom is free. There's no fee in the land of the free. Free like the eagle in the sky. You're meant to soar, not to fly. Tie your faith upon the cross. Believe you live and not die. And testify goodness of God. You see with your eyes. Realize your price and rise above your surprise. So who am I to say that I will carry your touch? But your grace found me when the devil was preparing me for launch. Launch me like a rocket. You're the block by second. That my current. I can give relate to the market. You fill my pocket with paper. Give me jacket and glamour. Shoot my heart with your armor. So that why worry no more. The born in desire with my heart. I should know you more. The more I know you, the more I know I need to know you more. You play the call, when you falling, we're singing nothing. He's able. Everybody, we dare you. We dare you. We dare you. We dare you, Jesus. We dare you, yeah. We dare you, Jesus. We dare you. We dare you. What's that say? We dare you. We dare you. We dare you. We dare you. We dare you, yeah. We dare you. We dare you, yeah. We dare you. Let's say Listen, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. You're the King of Kings. Arabaraye, to him of Babylon say, yes, Lord. To you, are you ready? Say it, Asawa. Everybody say, Asawa. I can hear you say, everybody say, one more time say, one more time say, say, what's that? Somebody shout! All glory to Jesus. Yeah. Thank you, Africa. Thank you, Ghana.